development projects that we have done. So today is Honorable Minister, Commerce and Industry, Government of Tripura, Sri Ronald Verma, Honorable Minister, PTADC, PWD and Rural Development, Sri Reverend Kai Putham Laute, Executive Director, and his co-members, the Mission Board Department, all the distinguished guests, SMC Committee, and all my beloved parents, teachers, and students. I take this privilege to welcome, to express my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all of you. This is the day that the Lord has made for all of us to glorify His name and to enjoy and to praise His name. Today, I am fully delighted to see our distinguished guests. With their visiting, I hope parents, community, as well as the students will be encouraged. Today, as we choose the theme that my culture is my identity, we are trying our best to develop these themes into the heart of the students. So, all the activities program will be focusing on today's theme, as we have many other live activities programs also. Therefore, to make our parents more relevant, let me use Cockroach so that our parents will also able to communicate with us. Ini school ni sama ni 24 years foundation kay upgrade class 12 students, 83 students unka taklay CBSE ni disintui porikha klainai borok no tumpir klayo borok ni bisiwong ka 83 Johnny Bisiwong ka 28 if I'm not mistaken 28 unka arts of the law oiloro unka science of the money okay 45 boy John Tomo okay 31 unka sula ang money borok data unka tapos unfortunately we don't have board exam China ibagoy borok tikilia tangke school primary unka uyekta criteria primary te borok loyungka borok practical exam borok success undia amni bagoy borok loy unka narakam te 83 Johnny Bisiwong 2025 BCD CBSE class 12 exam tonight class 12 unka 81 students